Yeah, and it wiped out just city blocks. And you can see they had all these cars parked ready for export there, which you can see were all destroyed. But there were residential buildings, which you can see in the background, that were destroyed too. It was a huge,
It was a wasteland.
It was almost like a nuclear explosion.
Yes.
In fact, we wanted to remind everybody by showing you exactly what the explosion was, because there was an expat living there who filmed it.
That's right.
I mean, this was devastating. Take a look.
Whoa! I'm videoing it. What the?
They didn't think it was bad at first.
Your gas station or something.
Whoa! Oh! What the? No! No, baby! Oh no! Yeah, we're dangerous. Oh my God! Oh dear!
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming.
I think we are dead.
Yeah, look at that. It's insane.
Let's go! Let's go down!
I just want to